Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to create PayPal account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your PayPal app, then tap on login or sign up. To create an account, tap on sign up. There, enter your email. They'll give you the option of choosing your account as well. Then tap on continue. Like this, easily you have been logged into PayPal. Then tap on to next. Add your phone number. Then tap on next. Add your phone number. Choose your country then after. Then tap on next and enter your number. After entering your number, our code will be sent. Enter it and tap on next. Then you see you have to create a password using 8 characters, 8 to 20 characters. Use two of the following letters, numbers or symbols. I have entered my password. Now tap on next, then after enter your name. Enter your birth date as well. Add your address. Then tap on agree and create account. Enter your debit card or credit card number. There you go. You have created a PayPal account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.